Hello. We are from the Department of Mechanical Engineering Faculty of Engineering Universitas Batam 2025. In order to participate in JIACA's 2025 Mara University of Technology, we'll present about design and simulation of a 3D printed mini water turbine generator using recycled PET bottle material with SolidWorks analysis. Members of the group: Ali Mudakasai H, Muhammad Irawan, Korniawadi, Suarjo, Zikri, Ismail. Table of contents. Introductions. Literature review. Methodology. 3D printing system. Result and discussion. Conclusion.
Introductions. The global energy crisis and environmental pollution from fossil fuels necessitate innovative solutions, particularly in renewable energy and waste management. Mini hydropower systems, such as water turbine generators, offer decentralized energy solutions for remote areas. Concurrently, plastic waste, especially PET bottles, poses significant environmental threats due to its non-biodegradability. This study integrates these issues by designing a 3D printed mini water turbine using recycled PET, combining sustainability with functionality.
Literature review. Mini water turbines convert kinetic energy from low-pressure water flows into electricity. Ideal for off-grid locations. Their efficiency depends on design and material selection. PET's mechanical properties, tensile strength, 50 to 70 MPa, make it suitable for lightweight applications. Recycling PET into 3D printing filament reduces waste and production costs. Fused deposition modeling, FDM, enables rapid prototyping with recycled materials. FEA and CFD simulations optimize design performance before physical production. Methodology. Design approach, VDI 2222 framework. Task clarification. Define requirements for turbine operation in low-flow conditions. Concept development. Select turbine type, e.g., cross-flow, and material, recycled PET. Preliminary design. Create 3D models of impeller, casing, and main body in SolidWorks. Detailed design. Optimize geometry for fluid dynamics and structural load distribution. Simulation and analysis. FEA. Assess stress, deformation, and safety factors under operational loads. CFD. Simulate water flow to evaluate pressure distribution and turbine efficiency. Validation metrics. Structural integrity, von Miser stress, PET's yield strength, 55 MPa. Fluid performance, pressure drop and velocity profiles aligned with theoretical predictions. 3D printing systems. TFDM, fused deposition modeling, melts plastic filament and builds objects layer by layer, most popular and low cost. SLA, stereolithography, uses UV light to cure liquid resin into solid layers. SLS, selective laser sintering, uses a laser to fuse powder material, like nylon.
Result and discussion. Structural analysis, FEA. Maximum stress, 45 MPa, below PET's yield strength. Deformation, less than 0.5 mm, ensuring operational stability. Fluid dynamics, CFD. Turbine efficiency, ~65% at optimal flow rates. Uniform pressure distribution across impeller blades. Environmental and practical implications. Recycled PET reduces material costs by 30% compared to virgin plastics. The design supports local manufacturing and plastic waste upcycling. Conclusion. The study demonstrates the viability of 3D printed mini water turbines using recycled PET, validated through FEA and CFD simulations. The design meets mechanical and fluid performance criteria while promoting sustainability. Future work includes prototyping and field testing to refine efficiency.